Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, let's not forget about the tips and tricks. Subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always be notified. Let's get started right now. Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about staying ahead of the coronavirus and any virus with fruits and vegetables. Yes guys, fruits and vegetables. After all, football players don't head for the end zone without preparing their bodies first. They don't run on the field until their bodies are built up. Weightlifters build their bodies up first. And guys, hydration is at the #1 spot. Strawberries are full of antioxidants. Let's go over for a second and see what Maya Feller with Inside Edition has to say.
Maya Feller, first tip, drink lots and lots of water.
Hydration is going to be incredibly important because water is important for all.
Well, you heard it guys. Water is at the #1 spot and we all need plenty of it. So let's go back over and finish listening to Maya Feller with Inside Edition.
A woman, 2 liters of water per day, and a man, 3 liters of water per day.
2 liters? 2 liters.
Yes, that is a lot of water. And ladies, that's going to equate to about 4 16.9 ounce bottles each day. Guys, for you, that's going to equate to about 6 16.9 ounces of water per day.
Toward foods like these, things that are in their whole and minimally processed form.
Okay guys, you heard it. Whole foods with minimum processing. Almonds, for example. And let's not forget our fiber. We need the fiber to help keep things moving along. Apples are a great source for fiber. Also in our fiber profile should be dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, mustard greens, any dark leafy green. Excellent sources to ward off both germs and viruses. Don't forget your fiber. Next up is Powerhouse garlic and onion. Both have antioxidant capabilities and antimicrobial capabilities. Also highly recommended is salmon, full of omega-3 fatty acids and protein, great for all your body functions. Then there's eggs, guys, full of all kinds of vitamins and minerals. They're like a little superfood, and they have lots of protein, also choline. So let's not forget our eggs. And my personal tip for today is all about keeping our hands clean. You want to wash them whenever you can, as often as you can. Stop touching the face, guys, and keep the social distancing intact. But guys, what happens when you can't wash your hands? Great suggestion here. Alcohol. That's what you want to make your go-to when you can't find anything else. You want grain alcohol, which is 120% proof, meaning that you'll have 60% alcohol. And if you can't find grain alcohol, go for something like the Bacardi 151. Again, guys, that's going to be 60% alcohol. And what you want to do, guys, is just take a teaspoon or 2 of the grain alcohol or 60% proof alcohol and just put it in the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together until they feel dry. It's the same as using hand sanitizer. Let's stay healthy. I'm Chef Pam. This is Chef and More. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll always get my videos and all my updates. And I'll see you next time.